All right, everybody. This is I don't know. I think this is number 5, video 5 of the pair mapping. This is putting our pair map, the map we just made in Photoshop, and putting it on our pair. So I'm in the UV tab because it just that's kind of what we'll be using and what we'll be looking at. And under here I can see shading, and I don't have a shader for this. And so I'm just gonna double click on that and hit M for material. That was the letter M for material. I'm gonna set my material. It's a pair. It's gonna be pair. I don't know if you've got all these options here. I usually like to go with a flat matte white. Matte white. And there it is. There's my material. Add layer. You probably don't have any options for anything yet. We want an image map. We want to load an image. Okay, I'll slow down a little bit so you can see where that is. And let me start over. Here is your pair. Here's the material in the pair. We need to add a layer. All right, it's going to be a layer which is our image map that we made. Add layer, image map, load image. Let's go find it. The one you made. There's that's a potato. Nah, where are we? There we go. That's the one I just made. Hit open, and not bad. Pretty much laid out there. You should be able to see, yeah, show image. It's not showing my image. Huh. Should show the map there. I'm not sure why it's not. Oh. There we go. Current selection. There. So that's nice. So if you didn't have that, if you couldn't see your map here, under options, backdrop, and just say current image selection. So it'll, whatever I'm currently selected on, it will show as a backdrop behind my UV maps. That's kind of important because let's say you got some areas where you had accidentally got some white like on your pair because your map doesn't line up, then right here in modo, hit the T key for element transform, and you can make some adjustments right there. Okay. You can actually, it's kind of cool. I mean, I don't know if you think this stuff is cool. I think it's cool. I like to be able to see that this, when I move this line here, well, not that line. All right, the other side of the pair. So this here, if I move this is the map. So when it gets stretched out, right, this is what happens if you stretch in those pixels all around, right? So that's why we wanted to lay this map out kind of nice here. All right, but that's the pair, and it's set up. It's on there. It looks pretty clean. I can go to my render tab, kind of zoom in on this, and I can look at that. And this is the pair that you made. So what are you going to send me? This is what I want you to send me. I would like you to send me a JPEG or a screenshot of something like this that shows your map. It could be just your map, really. So if you aren't navigating around and figure these out, if I click this little double arrow here, it'll go just to the window that I'm in. See that? I'm just in that window. It turns orange, means that it's kind of selected. And I can go to there, I can move this around, and then I can do a screenshot of this, or take a picture with your phone, however it works for you, and send me your texture map laid out so I can see how you did there. And then if you want to then send me a picture of your pair, you can do that too. You can either just do a photo of that, or you go to render and hit render, and it's gonna do a little quick rendering, and this could be saved as a JPEG. All right, so at some point, and you can just save that as like a JPEG, and you could upload that file and name it pair. We're gonna do a couple more objects in modo together besides this pair. and then we'll be done with modo. All right, so I would say another week of modo, not this week and next week, probably 2 full weeks left of modo, and then we will move out of modo, probably back to Photoshop. All right, just to give you a little idea of what to expect. All right, that's it.